In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Make.com. First, open Make.com and create a new scenario. A scenario is simply an automation workflow, and it's where your apps and actions will live. Think of it as the canvas where you design what should happen and when. Starting with a fresh scenario keeps things clean and focused on the single connection we're setting up. Next, click the plus button in the canvas to add your first module. In the search bar that appears, type Shopify. Modules are the building blocks of your automation. They perform tasks like finding data, creating records, or updating something in your store. Selecting Shopify here tells Make.com which app you want to work with. Now, choose the Shopify action that fits your goal. You can pick something like search orders if you want to pull existing order data, or create an order if you plan to send new orders into Shopify from another app. The exact action is up to your use case, but choosing one now helps you establish the connection and test it right away. When Make.com asks for access, click Create a Connection. This is a one-time setup that securely links your Shopify store with Make.com so they can talk to each other. Connections are reusable, so you won't have to do this every time you add a new module in the same store. You'll see a field for the myshopify.com subdomain. Enter only your store name here. No spaces, no extra words, and not the full URL. For example, if your store URL is mystore.myshopify.com, type only my store. Avoid adding https www or .myshopify.com. Keeping it to just the subdomain is crucial for the connection to work correctly. Click Save, and if Shopify prompts you to authorize, follow the steps to approve access. You may see a screen describing the permissions Make.com needs. Review and confirm. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify admin and that you have the necessary permissions to install or approve apps. Finally, test the module by clicking Run Once. This triggers the action you selected and confirms that Make.com can reach your store. If the test succeeds, you'll see output in the scenario log or data sample right inside the module. If there's an error, double-check the subdomain spelling and your Shopify permissions, then try again. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Make.com, and you're ready to build out the rest of your automation. Thanks for watching.